Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is the giveaway drawing for the stopper toppers that Michelle sent over to me a week or so ago. I did in one of the videos that I'll have linked. I'll link it up here. And she has offered for 3 winners to get their choice of 2 stopper toppers from this specific particular collection. Not including these little purple things. These are little knitting needle point cover thingy-mabobs that because of my bottle, my glue bottle, the tip of it isn't as small as the fine tips on other glue bottles. So I wanted something that could keep it snug in there. And you guys suggested that I look those up, and I had already been looking at them, but I couldn't find, I didn't know which ones to buy, and then I finally found the ones to buy, and so I bought those, and it works perfectly. So this is one of the options. So there's 5 options that I showed in that video, and all you had to do was leave a comment under that video and be a subscriber. So again, there's going to be 3 winners. I will get you in touch with Michelle. So if you're one of the winners, there is an email down below that you contact me through that email, and then we'll confirm you are who you are, and then we will go from there. I do apologize for the way I sound. I still have a very bad headache that I've had for a couple days, and I'm struggling really bad. Is all I could say. But today is the day for the giveaway, so I need to get this giveaway drawing underway for you guys. So I have pulled in the video URL for the video that you were supposed to leave a comment under. I pulled in the comments, and I'm going to hit start, and then it'll pick a winner, and then I'll check to make sure you're a subscriber. So if you don't see the winner that's picked right away, then that means I had to pick another winner. But there's going to be 3 winners. So let's hit start. So you also, I forgot to mention, you also needed to be in the U.S. Shipping out of states is pretty expensive. And a lot of Etsy sellers, a lot of small businesses can't afford to eat that cost. So you have to be in the U.S. And that being said, that's not why the first winner that was picked isn't the winner, or one of the winners. That person wasn't a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So I am going to hit start again. I'm going to try to get my, there we go. Oops, there we go. All right, congratulations to Paula Norberg 3072. You are the first winner of the stopper toppers, so you get to pick 2 of your favorite. And then she's going to add an additional one to your winnings. So you are the first of 3 winners. So congratulations to Paula. Contact me via that email down below, please. And then let's pick another winner. All right, I'm going to pick another winner. Let me make sure my phone is... All right, congratulations, Vicky Green. I don't know if I can't. My head hurts so bad I can't tell if it's focused or not. But Vicky Green, you are the second winner. You get to choose 2 of your favorite stopper toppers. So contact me via that email down below, and I will make sure you are who you are, and then I will get you in touch with Michelle. So congratulations to you, Vicky. And now we get to pick one more winner. Hang on, there we go. Sorry, you're bouncing now. I had to, okay. Okay. Congratulations to Melinda Wilson 1414. You are the 3rd and final winner of the stopper topper giveaway. Contact me via that email down below. I'll give you guys let's see, I'll give you a week. So contact me by July 9th. And contact me by July 9th, and we will get you in contact with Michelle to get your winnings. All right, you guys, thank you so much for participating in the Stopper Topper giveaway, and thank you to Michelle for offering the giveaway. And thank you guys for being subscribers to my channel and commenting and all that and being very supportive. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.